Hello Chosen Ones! In this video I'm going to show you how to get silver in Witchspire. When it comes to ores in Witchspire, silver is surprisingly one of the hardest to find. To start, open your map and head toward the fourth island you'll naturally discover while progressing through the main story. This is also the island located west of the beginner area. Once you arrive, make your way toward the southernmost section of the island, specifically around the location shown here. In this area, you'll find silver ore deposits embedded along the side of a small hill. Before attempting to mine them, make sure you've crafted the refined witch's pickaxe, as the standard pickaxe won't be strong enough to harvest silver. Since there are only a limited number of deposits here, it's a good idea to use the ore carefully and avoid wasting it on unnecessary crafting. Another farming spot can be found near the outer edge of the same region, where additional silver deposits are attached to the cliffside. These can be a bit trickier to collect, as some of the nodes spawn in elevated positions that may be difficult to reach with your pickaxe alone. You may need to carefully position yourself or use terrain and movement abilities to mine all of them successfully. Because silver is so scarce, I highly recommend stockpiling every piece you find, and spending it only on recipes you truly need. And that's everything you need to know about how to get silver in Witchspire. If this video helped, please leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more quick guide videos. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next side quest.